Hey everyone, it's me Rphy Samstill, and today I'm doing a real vlog test using the Canon R50 V. This is handheld, no gimbal, no fancy setup, just a real world vlogging the way I always shoot. First, let's talk about the stabilization. Right now I'm walking handheld, so this is the actual stabilization of the Canon R50 V. Let me walk normal. And now a little faster. Tell me, is this smooth enough for daily vlogs? Next is the autofocus. I'll move closer and I'll move it back. Let me turn left and right. The Canon autofocus should be good. Let's see if the Canon R50 V can keep up with my movement. Let's check the built-in microphone on this Canon R50 V. What you're hearing right now is the built-in mic on audio of the R50 V. No effects, no cleaning, no noise reduction, just pure audio. Tell me if the sound's okay for indoor and for vlogging.
10 kilo rice?
Yeah. Additional.
So कितना बेकर दोस्त है तुमको?
So guys, this is the built-in mic of the camera, Canon R50 V. So again, this is the sound quality of the built-in microphone of Canon R50 V. So again, this is the sound direct from the Canon R50 V built-in microphone. Next is the sample photos for this camera. This is a simple vlog test using the Canon R50 V. Small, lightweight, good autofocus, and easy to use. Really perfect for beginners and content creators. Let me know what you think about the video quality and the audio. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.
It's getting late, don't say